Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, May 7, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of cryptocurrency news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
Canada Crypto Week, a week-long celebration of Web3, blockchain, and AI. Canada Crypto Week is back for its fifth year, happening from May 11 to 17, 2025. This celebration of blockchain, Web3, and AI has become the largest crypto-focused week in Canadian history, with over 100 events planned. The initiative showcases Canada as a global leader in crypto innovation. What sets Canada Crypto Week apart is its community-driven nature, with hundreds of companies and individuals coming together to make Web3 accessible to all. Most events are free and held nationwide. For more information, visit the official website. Canada Crypto Week is a testament to Canada's position in the world of blockchain and crypto innovation. Investor news breaks: Thumzup Media Corp, NASDAQ-P, upsizes shelf registration to $500 million to support BTC strategy. Thumzup Media Corp, NASDAQ-TP, has increased its shelf registration to $500 million to support its Bitcoin strategy. The company filed an amendment with the SEC allowing for a variety of securities offerings to raise capital over 3 years. Thumzup's BTC treasury strategy permits up to 90% of liquid assets to be allocated to Bitcoin. No securities are being offered or sold at this time. Thumzup Media Corporation is democratizing the social media branding and marketing industry with its Thumzup platform, offering cash payments for posting about advertisers. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at h/ibn.fm/tzup.
Investor news breaks: Thumzup Media Corp upsizes shelf registration to $500 million to support BTC strategy. Thumzup Media Corp has increased its shelf registration to $500 million to support its Bitcoin treasury strategy. The filing allows for a variety of securities offerings over the next 3 years, including stock, warrants, and debt instruments. The funds raised will be used for working capital and to advance the company's BTC strategy, which allocates up to 90% of liquid assets to Bitcoin. No securities are currently being offered or sold. Thumzup Media Corporation is democratizing the social media branding and marketing industry with its Thumzup platform, which pays individuals for posting about participating advertisers on major social media outlets. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at /ibn.m. HIVE completes first 100-megawatt infrastructure in Paraguay, plans continued debt-free expansion and triple-digit growth. HIVE Digital Technologies has completed the first phase of its growth strategy with a 100-megawatt data center in Paraguay. The company plans to triple its operational capacity and increase its hash rate to 25 EH/s by year-end. HIVE's debt-free expansion is funded through a treasury management strategy. With the hiring of Carlos Anibal Torres as operations manager, HIVE is poised for continued growth in 2025. As Bitcoin gains institutional investor interest, HIVE is positioned for success in the market.
UK prepares to ban use of borrowed funds to buy crypto. UK regulators are moving to prevent investors from using borrowed funds, such as credit card debt, to purchase crypto. This is part of a larger effort to update regulations surrounding digital assets and safeguard consumers in the rapidly expanding market. Companies like Strategy Inc., NASDAQ MSTR, that are increasingly involved in crypto investments will need to monitor the evolving laws in this sector to stay informed about any changes.
UK proposes laws to regulate crypto exchanges. The United Kingdom has proposed laws to regulate crypto exchanges, aiming to support innovation while protecting people from scams. Companies like Coinbase Global Inc. will be monitoring the process for market opportunities. Billion Dollar Club is a communications platform focusing on top companies, offering access to wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications. For more information, visit billiondollarclub.com. KOINFOLD integrates Solana blockchain and launches meme coin swap features. KOINFOLD has integrated the Solana blockchain into its platform, allowing for seamless swapping of meme coins. Every 2 weeks, KOINFOLD will spotlight trending Solana-based meme coins. The Solana meme coin market has a capitalization between $6.77 billion and $7.17 billion, with daily growth between 1.8% and 3.9%. CEO Rick Wilson stated that KOINFOLD will generate revenue through swap and transaction fees, leveraging Solana's high-speed capabilities. Users can now verify transactions via email and text OTP, and a new Discord channel has been launched to build a strong KOINFOLD community. Stay updated on social media and download KOINFOLD from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.